Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this channel, if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to this channel. So actually I'm really so exhausted this week because I have to go out and I had so much work. This week is all fine, but in the last 3 days my wardrobe was like this. It's really so messy. I'm really actually a OCD person. If my wardrobe is like this, I can't even sleep. But in 3 days, I really don't have time to do this. If I didn't do this even now, I really have to search what should I wear. Like you can see the entire wardrobe. This is so mess. I have to clean it up now because now it's time like 10 o'clock. So my house is on silent mode, so I can do whatever now. So I can do it now properly and happily and peacefully. So let's start. Finally, I'm on my comfortable tees, comfortable sweatpants. So now I'm ready to organize my wardrobe. So first we're gonna do this side because I have a lot of clothes. Some of the clothes I should fold, some of the clothes I should hang. So there is a lot of work now. First I'm gonna do the upper rack because there is so much mess and there is so much unwanted things I have there. So I'm gonna shift them to the upper rack. I can have a little bit more space. So first I'm gonna remove the unwanted things like this. I don't even know some of things I have in my wardrobe. Like I don't know when I kept them. I don't know when it's happened. Thought it was gone or somewhere, but I finally found that. I even have my school pencil pouch. This my drawing files. I don't know where should I keep them. Should I keep them up or should I keep them here? Oh God. Whatever I'm gonna use, I'm only going to keep here. If I'm not using that, I'm gonna throw away. Also, I'm gonna keep my bags. So the bags I use rarely, I'm gonna keep backside. The bags I use mostly, I'm gonna keep front side. So there's a 2 baskets over here. They're all my inners. So I have to organize them too. I'm gonna put my gym clothes too. I have literally 2 pair of black gym wear, but I really love the black clothes. I used to obsessed with black. Even now I'm obsessed with black, but sometimes I really go with the pale colors because they are literally soft, cozy. I want to keep my denims here. I dragged them from there to here, so I have to keep them organized and I have to clean this wardrobe. You can see how much messy it is. So it's little bit okay because I have inners in this side, I have denims, I have skirts, I can see my gym wear, I can see my short. I have some tops mixed from that wardrobe, so I have to take them out first. So I have little bit space here, so I'm going to utilize this space with my bangles, jewelry. Already done with that. 3 bigger racks. Time for us to do this rack. This is how it is looking. I have placed saris here and I placed my tripods and this is the another head towel. So now it's time to arrange this one. So I'm done with this rack too. So I have kept some lehengas here, some dresses here, some lehengas in this and the big lehenga in this. So I'm done with this side rack. So now tomorrow morning we are going to do that side rack because it's already 1 o'clock. So I want to sleep. I still have this part left and I have to arrange my sneakers, shoes here. I have to remove everything from my bed. I have to arrange this. I have to arrange that vanity area and I have to throw it. Also, I'm getting some delivery tomorrow and I'm so excited for that and I'm waiting for that from so long. So tomorrow I'm gonna get that and we're gonna unbox that too. And so see you in the morning. Good morning guys. I just woke up and I got freshed up and I'm having my coffee. So firstly I'm gonna remove every product from here. So I removed everything from this. So I need to clean this mirror now and so I have to put them back again. So I'm done with my vanity area. We are moving to that section. So finally we move to this part. So I don't want to touch the back side ones because they're already good. I need to organize this pile of clothes. First I'm gonna put the short tops, then longer tops, then shirts, then jackets. Okay, this one looking so good now. And we're going to the down part. I'm done with all the sections and there's the mess. I have to clean it up again. So I'm done with my wardrobe organization. As I said before, I already got my delivery and now it's time to unbox it. So the delivery I'm talking about is finally arrived. I got my delivery package. So let's see what's inside. So I finally got my first ever MacBook. It has 4 colors I guess. Like one is citrus, blush, silver and indigo. Of course you guys know which color I would pick. I always go with blush. I got my MacBook Neo in a pink color. Let's open this. It was a prettiest pink I have ever seen. Like my iPhone is also pink. I'm done with my MacBook setup and my wallpaper is the pink aura. The camera in this is cool dude. Like I didn't see this much clarity in any other laptops. Oh my god. This was so good. Whenever I wanted to organize my wardrobe, so I'll just play this kind of videos and it really motivates me to organize. And also I hope this video also helps you a lot to organize your wardrobe. And so thank you for watching this video till end. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video. Until then, bye bye.